This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Ghee from milk using an easy method. First, gather full-fat milk cream over several days. Store this cream in a clean, airtight container in your refrigerator. When you have accumulated about 2 to 3 cups of cream, take it out and let it reach room temperature for at least 30 minutes before proceeding to the next step. This preparation is crucial for successful churning. Now, let's churn butter. Pour the room temperature cream into a blender. Add about 1 cup of very cold water. Blend on high speed for 3 to 5 minutes until the butter solids separate from the liquid buttermilk. Carefully drain the buttermilk. Then, rinse the butter 3 to 4 times with cold water, gently squeezing out any remaining buttermilk. This ensures pure butter for your ghee. Next, we transform butter into golden ghee. Transfer the fresh butter to a heavy-bottomed pot. Cook it over medium-low heat, allowing it to melt slowly. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. As it simmers, the milk solids will separate and settle at the bottom, turning a beautiful golden brown. Skim off any foam that appears on top. This process takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, let's strain and store your homemade ghee. Once the ghee is clear, golden, and has a nutty aroma, remove it from the heat. Let it cool for a few minutes. Carefully strain the warm ghee through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth into a clean, dry, airtight glass jar. Allow it to cool completely before sealing. Store your delicious Desi Ghee at room temperature for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.